Hello everyone, welcome to KBP Degree College. Myself Pallavi Patil from SY BAF. Today I will present very interesting topic, that is population a resource or a problems, with the guidance of Professor Moshmi Saraf. So let's start. Population. The current population of India is 1.39 billion in 2021 and 1.38 billion in 2020. The population density in India is 464 per kilometer square. There is 35% of urban population and 36% of rural population. This is table of population growth from 1947 to 2021. Advantages of population. If the population is above the optimum size, the country will be able to make better use of its resources. Second, the size of market will increases. Expanding industries can recruit new workers to the labor force, lead to introduction of new technology. Net immigration will bring in workers. Disadvantages of population: adverse effect on environment, adverse effect on per capita income, rapid population growth creates food problems, reduction in efficiency of labor force, growing population, lower standard of living. There are three main processes of change in population, that is birth rate, death rate and migration. Birth rate means the number of life was per 1,000 persons in year. Death rate means the number of deaths per 1,000 persons in year. This is a table of birth rate and death rate in India according to India census from 1941 to 2011. Migration. Migration means movement of people to a new area or a country in order to find work or better living conditions. The current net migration rate of India in 2021 is minus 0.356 per thousand population, a 3.52% decline from 2020. India is blessed to have more youth population as compared to other countries. According to census data 2011, the youth constitute 28% of total population in the country and have a contribution of over 34% in the country's national income. India tops the list with 356 million young people as the country of world's largest youth population. There are some advantages of youth population, like provides a large and cheap future workforce, provides a growing market for manufactured products, provide a large tax base for the country. There are also have few disadvantages of youth population, like high dependency ratio, stay in education and healthcare services, food supplies and accommodation availability, lack of availability of jobs in the future. Some new policies developed. The Uttar Pradesh government on Sunday released the new population policy for 2021 to 2030 on the occasion of World Population Day. While unveiling the policy, the inauguration event, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that there should be a gap between two children in order to control the population in the state. Conclusion. Across the world, from time to time, concerns have been expressed that increasing population can be a hurdle in development. And for the past 4 decades, discussion on it are going on. Population growth is also related to poverty. Every community has been taken care of in population policy 2021-2030, Adityanath said. Similarly, I also feel that India's population growth rate should be controlled to avoid further economic and social crises. The reference of PPT are as follows. Thank you.